So here is another great activity idea that you can do with your kids at home on the weekend or during the week. I make them do this under my supervision. So what they did is mix the cake, get the cake mixture, mix it with water and egg. Then after mixing it together, everything is all smooth. They pour it in the baking pan. And once everything is poured in the baking pan, we are going to put it in the oven for 15 minutes on 350-degree heat. So make sure to check it. Insert a toothpick at the center of your cake to make sure after 15 minutes it's fully ready. Once the toothpick comes out clean, that means your cake is ready. Look at it. We have a nice, beautiful looking chocolate cake. Isn't this yummy? It is so yummy. I love it. They enjoy it. I also enjoy it with them. And this makes them to even want to try what they cook. So this is another idea that you can do with your kids. Make sure to try it out and let me know in the comment section how you like it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.